Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure across the Bering Sea at 973 millibars is sending a surge of warmer, milder air up the southwestern coastline and across the Yukon Valley. We also have a wave of low pressure sitting across the northern Gulf. That's producing some heavy rain around Cordova, and it lightens up a little bit into southeastern Alaska, where yesterday they were dealing with snow. Low pressure a little bit further south over the open waters of the Gulf extends up to 991 millibars, and the whole process is rotating under a upper-level low pressure system, part of the jet stream that's allowing low pressure to linger right over Alaska and over the Bering Sea for the last several weeks. As we look ahead toward tonight, a winter storm warning is in effect for the western tip of the Seward Peninsula. That'll go until 6 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Blowing snow, reducing visibilities to less than 1/2 mile is likely. Winds there north and east, 35 to 50 miles per hour with gusts around 60. We expect the winds to diminish slowly tonight with conditions improving toward the morning. Again, this for St. Lawrence Island and the Bering Strait coast, including places like Gambell, Savunga, Brevig Mission, Teller, Wales, and Diomede. Expect visibility to be poor, and snow will continue to accumulate into drifts. Some whiteout conditions should be expected in those areas. Be careful if you're traveling or going outside. As we look ahead into tomorrow, the low pressure drops to the west and south of Nunivak Island, about 978 millibars. As it continues to hover across the eastern Bering Sea, the pressure level comes up a little bit more on Wednesday to 987 millibars. The low in the western Gulf will drop to 962 millibars. The more of the easterly flow continues across the coastal areas. For most of the Gulf, it looks like rainfall, but just inland it might be cold enough for snow. In places like Anchorage, a light dusting snow to a couple inches is possible, mainly along the higher terrain. For southeast, pockets of rain and snow showers will continue there. It looks like rain and snow is in the forecast for Juneau once again as we get into Wednesday afternoon. That should continue on and off into Thursday. A stronger area of low pressure continues to center up on the Gulf there by Thursday afternoon at 962 millibars. You'll see a little more sunshine briefly in the midday hours there around the Yukon Valley. Looks like partly sunny conditions for Fairbanks, and scattered snow showers are possible across the north slope as the wind begins to ease up just a little bit more by Thursday afternoon. A frontal boundary will drop into the Aleutians coming in from the south and west at 970 millibars. Expect more rain and occasionally mixed with snow out toward Shemya. For Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. You can always find your latest weather information online at weather.gov.